Alright. You got it? Got this one? Okay. This is from last night. I've left it so as you can actually see that it is genuine fat, you know, and how many of you would just put that in your washing up water? This is the spatula that came out of it. You've got to remember it's been sitting there all night waiting to get washed this morning. And the thing is with this, actually once I've finished washing, I can wash it and it'll go down the drain and it won't leave any residue. So you can see it's genuine fat, it's not rubbish. So when I cooked the chops and that in yesterday. I just take an ordinary rag and you can see how it's just sitting on top. It molds in, it's part of the water now, so it's not thick lumps of grease. Alright, that clean enough for you? I know a fry pan like this, normally you can take paper and wash it and then throw it in the bin. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about thick, heavy grease that's just come out of this pan, now in the water, with a pan that's fully clean. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, whoops, nearly lost the pan and everything else. Now I'm going to just pull the plug and to see the heavy stuff that gets caught in there, well, we'll put that back so as the burnt stuff gets caught. Oops, daisy. But you can see now where it's sitting on there. And that's a liquid now, it's not a heavy fat, alright? You can see, alright? It's actually a liquid. Because what happens is the K&N puts it into suspension and it'll remain like that. It will not come back as that as we put it down the sink. The heavy stuff will catch in that little thing that we have in the plug, but the rest of it you'll see just disappear down the sink. The thing is, normally you can see where this now is still in liquid. I just do that and away it goes. And then I just like that, like that. The proof is in the pudding, isn't it? Them are just the burnt stuff, the heavy stuff that doesn't dissolve anyway. So, but you can see your pan is clean. Your sink rather is clean. It's not dirty. And how many other types of detergent can you do that with it? And I've been doing this now for over 12 months, and as you see, my sink's not blocked. In fact, if anything, when this goes down, anything that grease or anything that's on the pipes, it will pick that up, and gradually, if you use it all the time, it'll just make sure that all the drainage is clear.